An ideal gas is expanded adiabatically. How many times has the gas to be expanded to reduce the RMS speed of molecule? 2 times. Given for ideal gas gamma is equal to 1.5, and if I say C2 is RMS speed of gas when that gas expanded adiabatically, and C1 is the RMS speed of gas before expansion, then as per problem C2 is equal to half of C1, or we can say C2 upon C1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we know RMS speed of gas C is equal to under root of 3 RT divided by M, where M is molecular weight, T is absolute temperature, and R is universal gas constant. As R and M they are constant, therefore RMS speed of gas is directly proportional to square root of absolute temperature, or C2 upon C1 is equal to under root of T2 upon T1. But we know C2 upon C1 is 1 by 2, therefore 1 by 2 is equal to under root of T2 upon T1. Now squaring on both sides, therefore 1 by 4 is equal to T2 upon T1. 1 by 4 is equal to what? T2 upon T1. So for adiabatic expansion, we know for any adiabatic process, so for adiabatic process, we know what is the relationship between temperature and volume. T into V raised to gamma minus 1 is constant. It means T1 into V1 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 into V2 raised to gamma minus 1, or T2 upon T1 is equal to here V1 upon V2 raised to gamma minus 1 raised to what? Gamma minus 1. Therefore T2 upon T1 is 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So V1 upon V2 raised to gamma. What is value of gamma? 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Or V1 upon V2 raised to. Now what is 1.5 minus 1? It is 1 by 2. 0.5 means 1 by 2, and that 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Taking square on both sides, therefore V1 upon V2 is equal to 1 by, what is square of 4 is 16. Therefore V2 is equal to 16 times V1. V2 is equal to what? 16 times V1. So out of 4 options, option A is the correct option for this question. A is the correct option for this question.